Hello students, I am Anamika Das, and in the previous video we have discussed about power set and intervals of R. So in this video we are going to learn about Venn diagram. So what is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram is the diagram which represents the relationship between two or more sets. For example, I have taken U where U is the universal set and I have taken A and B to different set. So if we want to draw, in the example we are asked to draw the Venn diagram. So if we want to draw the diagram, then here U is given. U is start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will first draw the U. That is the universal set. This is the universal set. And in the set consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10 points, and we will write it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 8, then 9, then 10. For example, the point in the U set is related to each other, and we are going to show how they are related to each other. Here A is given that 2, 4, 6, 9, 10. Then we will first draw A. So A consists of the point 2, 4, 6, 9 and 10. Then it will be the circle which is A, and these are the elements present in the set A. And the second set, that is B equal to 4, 6, here this 4 and 6 represent the set B. So we will draw the circle that is B. मान लीजिए कि ये आपका घर है U, इसमें ये आप है, आपके सिस्टर और ब्रदर है, और ये मान लीजिए आपके मम्मी पापा है, और ये सब आपके कोई रिलेटिव्स है घर पे. तो हाउ दे आर रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. अगर ए ये है तो बी ये है, देन पूरा ये एलिमेंट्स, और मान लीजिए कि पूरा आपका घर का फैमिली मिलके ये यू है. देन अगर हमको वेन डायग्राम बनाना है तो ये कैसे रिलेटेबल है, ए कैसे बी के साथ कैसे रिलेटेबल है. देन ये पूरा सर्कल जब हम बनाएंगे उसके बाद हम जब यू मिलेगा तो ये यू यूनिवर्सल सेट होगा और ये पूरा डायग्राम वेन डायग्राम होगा. Then come to the next slide. So our next topic is operation on set. So in this topic we will learn about unions of set. So what is an union of set? Let A and B be any two sets. The union of A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and all the elements of B. Also the common elements between A and B are also present. For example, A is 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 2. Let's take some different element. B is 3, 4, 5. Then what will be the union of A and B? Then union of A and B will be all the elements of A. So what are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3. And all the elements of B. So what are the elements in B? 3, 4, 5. Then 3 is already present. Then we will write 4, 5. So again, the common element. So what is the common element between A and B? Common element is 3. So 3 is also present here. So the set which consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the union of A and B. And if we want to draw the Venn diagram of A union B, then we will write, for example, it is A. For example, it is B. Here, A element consists of 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And B element consists of 3, 4, 5. 3 is already present, so we will write 4 and 5. Since 3 is the common portion between A and B. So this represents the A union B. This is the Venn diagram for A union B. And we have some properties related to union of two sets. That is, first one is A union B is equal to B union A. That is commutative law. If we want, we have already written A union B. So if we want to write B union A, we will get the same value. That is, A is 1, 2, 3. So B union A will be 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2. And in the first class, we have discussed that we can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both are same. Thus, A union B equal to B union A. So this property is satisfied. Again, we have associative law, that is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. So first we will find A union B, then we will find A union B union C. Again, we will find B union C, then we will find A union B union C, and it will satisfy. So our third property is A union phi is equal to A, that is the law of identity element. And we know that phi is equal to, again, if we have A equal to 1 and 2, then phi union A is equal to all the elements of A and phi. So there is no element in phi. So what will be the phi union A is equal to 1 and 2. So this property also satisfied. And again, we have the fourth property, that is A union A. So if we take A is 1, 2, then A union A will be all the elements present in A and A. So what are the elements present in A and A? That is 1 and 2. Thus, fourth property also satisfied. Again, we have the fifth property, that is U union A is U. And we know that U is the universal set. So if U equal to 1, 2, 3, again A is 1, 2, then U union A is equal to 1, 2, 3. That is the element present in U and present in A, and the common element between U and A, that is 1, 2, 3. So fifth property also satisfied. So let's come to the next topic, that is intersection of set. So what is the intersection of any two sets? So I have written the intersection of set A and B is the set of all common elements. I have written it here. All the elements which are common to both A and B. For example, I have taken the example that A is equal to 1 and 2. B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then what will be the A intersection B? तो इन दोनों में कॉमन कौन सा एलिमेंट है, 1 और 2 ही है ना, तो इसमें क्या आएगा 1 and 2. That is the common to both A and B. कॉमन क्या है इसमें 1 and 2 है, इसमें भी 1 and 2 है, तो A intersection B is 1 and 2. Again, if we have A is equal to 1, 2, then B is equal to 4, 5. So is there any common element between A and B? No. Then what will be the A intersection B? Is there any common element between A and B? No, since A consists of 1 and 2, B consists of 4 and 5. So it will be 5. Since there is no element means empty set, and we represent empty set as 5. So A intersection B is 5. Again, we have some properties related to intersection, that is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. That is, if we have already defined A intersection B, that is 1 and 2. If we want to find the intersection, that is B intersection A, then what will be the common element between A and B? Here 1, 2 is present, here 1, 2 is present, then it will be 1 and 2. Thus, first property is satisfied. Again, if we want to find this and we want to satisfy this equation, we will first solve this portion, then we will solve this portion. So let's solve it. That is, we have already defined it, that is 1, 2, and if let C is 2, 3, 2, 3, then what will be the A intersection B intersection C? We have already defined the A intersection B, that is 1 and 2. Then what will be the common element between A intersection B and in C? So the common element here is 2, and in C the common element is 2, so it will be 2. Again, if we first find this portion, that is B intersection C. So what will be the B intersection C? Here B is 1, 2, 3, here C is 2, 3. So what is the common element between B and C? That is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Then we will solve this portion, that is A intersection B intersection C. Then A intersection B intersection C is what is A? A is 1, 2. And what is the element in B intersection C? That is 2, 3. Then what is the common element between these two sets? 2 is present here and 2 is present here. So the common element is 2. That is A intersection B intersection C is equal to the set 2. And here also A intersection B intersection C is equal to the element 2. Thus both are same. So this property also satisfied. Again, if we take phi intersection A, we will get, that is phi is again A is 1, 2. Since there is no element present in the set phi, so there will be no common element between phi and A. Then phi intersection A will be phi, that is empty set. Again, it will satisfy this property also. Again, if we take intersection of A intersection of A, then what will be the intersection of A intersection A? That is, the common element is 1 and 2. Thus, it also satisfies the property A intersection A is equal to A. Again, we have the last property, that is distributive property. So A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So we will solve this. For example, let's take A is 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 1, 2. C is equal to 2 and 3. So first we will find B union C. So B union C is all the elements present in B as well as present in C. So it will be 1, 2, 3. Then we will find A intersection B union C. So A intersection B union C is the common element present in both A and B union C. So what is the present element present in this set and this set? That is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we will solve the right hand side, that is A intersection B. So what is A intersection B? The element present in both A and B. So what is the element present in both A and B? That is 1, 2. Again, we will find A intersection C. Then A intersection C is the common element present in both A and C. That is 2, 3, 2, 3. Then we will find the union of these two sets. That is A intersection B union A intersection C. That is, what are the elements present in this set and this set? 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thus, we get the same answer. So it satisfied the last property also. So our last topic is difference of sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of elements which belongs to A but not to B. Symbolically, we write it as A minus B and we read as A minus B. For example, if we take A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 2, 3, then what will be the A minus B? We will just remove the elements of B from A since 2 and 3 are present in A. So we will just remove the elements 2 and 3 from A, that is 1. Since 2 and 3 are removed, so the remaining element will be 1. And we will write it as A minus B and we will read it as A minus B. So that's all for today. Thank you student. कल मिलते हैं फिर से.